Hi there, great to see you again. In this video, I'll show you how to do a refund in Stripe. This process is quick and efficient, taking just about 5 minutes once you become familiar with it. Stripe is a robust platform widely used for managing payments online, and mastering the refund process is crucial whether you're running a small business or managing a larger enterprise. To get started, navigate to stripe.com, your primary portal for accessing the Stripe dashboard. Look for the Sign In option, typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on Sign In to proceed. You'll then arrive at the Login page, where you need to enter your registered email address and password, your secure login credentials. After filling in these details, click Sign In again to access your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, keep your device ready for this extra verification step. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Stripe dashboard. Start at the Home tab, which is your main action hub in Stripe. From the sidebar or main dashboard area, locate the Transactions section. Clicking here will display a list of all recent transactions linked to your account. You'll need to select the specific transaction you wish to refund. Use the search feature for quicker access if needed. After identifying the correct transaction, click to open its details. Focus on the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Refund option. Remember that refunds are only available if you're operating a paid Stripe account, which is essential for managing real business transactions. Click on Refund to proceed. You'll then be prompted to select the amount you'd like to refund. Stripe allows you to refund the full amount or just a partial sum, depending on your needs and the agreement with your customer. After setting the desired refund amount, double-check your input to ensure accuracy, as this action processes immediately once confirmed. Finally, click the Proceed button to finalize and submit the refund. And that's it. You've successfully issued a refund through Stripe. Understanding how to manage refunds is vital for maintaining customer satisfaction and ensuring smooth payment operations. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope it clarified the refund process in Stripe, making it simple and straightforward.